Round two. Still your favorite. The DirecTV remote. And the Samsung remote coming in as a close second. Oh, but the bear trumps it all. This is how we roll with the bear in our mouth. Right? What do you see? There's your book. You're really getting around, buddy. What book is that? Old Hat, New Hat. Berenstain Bears. You gonna read it to me? Oh. Here we go again. Taking off down the hall. Mama better put down the phone and follow you.